In today's fast-paced world, staying connected and up-to-date is essential, even when it comes to your car. With remote software upgrades on your Mini, you can ensure your vehicle is always fresh without ever leaving your driveway. Just like your smartphone or computer, your car's software needs to be optimized, secured, and equipped with the latest features. Staying up-to-date has never been easier, thanks to the Mini app. As long as you have allowed push notifications on your phone, you will be notified when a remote software upgrade is available for your Mini. When you receive the notification, the first step is to download the update and follow the prompts. On the home screen, at the bottom, under Vehicle Control Center, you will find the option for Vehicle Configuration. Once tapped, you'll be able to adjust software update settings. Ensure you have Download Automatically and Download via Wi-Fi only turned on. You can also check for a software update directly from your Mini. Touch the app's menu icon on the Mini interaction unit, then scroll to System Settings and touch Remote Software Upgrade. If there's an upgrade available, and once it's downloaded, you'll get a pop-up notification at the end of your drive, after you are safely parked, to let you know it's ready to be installed. It generally takes about 20 minutes for an update to complete. If you have any other questions about remote software upgrades or anything else Mini, be sure to reach out to your Mini Motoring Advisor or Mini Service Center for support. With remote software upgrades, convenience meets innovation.